Hello guys, good day. This is Ferdy again and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we're just trying to hook some items. So ngayon, pupunta tayo ng ABC Mart Medicom Toy Store. And first on our list is New Balance. Nandito na tayo sa corner. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers by 1K subs. So having said that guys, let's get back to the video. As usual, na-late tayo ngayon kasi wala namang release ng Supreme at may hinahabol din tayo na package by the morning. Hindi tayo makalis. And that's New Balance. So they have this newly released triple black color with the 990 V6. Ang ganda. It goes well with anything since it's black. They haven't released the Action Bronson pair inside the store. Pero we can still get it naman sa Sneaker Dunk. May kumuha na sa atin actually dalawa. Pagka-post ko dun sa isang sneaker group. And ngayon naman, punta muna tayo sa Bape. We have our reservations there with Rika-san. So, I just need to pay for the items and I'll update you later. Mukhang hindi ata tayo makakapasok agad ng Bape Kasi tignan nyo naman ang daming tao. Maybe we'll have to skip to Stussy. So, check na lang natin yung Stussy. Grabe ang daming tao din sa Bape. May nakita pala ako dito. This is the LHP store. Lazy Hazy Planet. Meron silang dito, hybrid shoe. That's A6 by the way. Yung nasa loob. Tapos yung nandun sa forefoot niya is hindi ko alam kung anong shoe but it resembles a boot. Para siyang Timberlands, no? Ayan. And yun yung box niya. Pero imagine. Which is weird. Nandito pa rin yung mga Y3 nila at kung ano-ano pa. They're on sale right now. And that's the logo of their store, LHP. Ito na yung Stussy. Tara, pasok tayo. Well, that's what they have in Stussy. And right now, we're going to Medicom Toy Store. Here at Medicom, we have the Sex Pistols, pati itong mga mamahalin na Bear Bricks. And dito, they have the shirts, fragment design, and ito yung mga pinakabago nilang Bear Brick, yung Minion, pati yung isa na Fuzzy, Mona Lisa, and Spider-Man. 4,000 lang yung benta ko dyan, pero kailangan natin manalo sa raffle para mabenta ko. And ano pa ba nandito? Yung artwork ng Japan and this one. God Selection Bear Bricks. Leather Bear Bricks. Ito yung from last video. Ayan. Batman. Ito, bago lang to. Wolverine. So, tamang-tama sa release ng Deadpool and Wolverine. Ayan. And, eto, E.T. So, hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo. It lights up. Tingnan nyo. Ang cool, no? Ayan yung mga cool na Bear Bricks Pati yung katabi niya, nagla-light din. So, ayun yung mga nandun sa display. And we have here yung mga selection nila complete. Ayan, pag may sold out, ibig sabihin wala na yun dyan sa store. Ayan yung mga pinakabago nila. Ito, leather yan. Nakasuot na leather, ang cool. So, ayan yung mga selections nila na hindi naka-display. Ito, umiilaw rin. Here at Atmos, meron silang bagong Air Max TN or Tuned Air. So, ayan, para siyang Kwondo. Ayun lang yung bago nila dito. So, sneaker dunk na tayo. Ngayon naman, punta tayo dito sa Sneaker Dunk Store. And ito yung mga selection nila dito. Dito sa apparel section nila, meron silang mga tees dito with COS. Collaboration with Human Made. Ayan, may nag-order niyan sa atin. Hindi ko na rin mabilang. Ayan, ang gaganda oh. So, ang ganda ng quality ng mga Human Made shirts. Nakikita nyo naman 'di ba kahit video lang. Ayan. May mga regular na human-made tees din, just like this one. Tapos yung ibang brand, ayan, yung mga dating release ng Stussy, yung mga past week releases. They even have the Pata. Ayan, hindi sila nag-release niyan sa store eh. So, at least makakuha tayo dito. And they also have this one, 2002R Jound. Ayan, collaboration. Medyo steep yung price pero kaya naman natin yung mabawasan basta message lang kayo sa store kasi medyo mataas yung nila, yung price. Ganun naman lahat since sa mga resale stores mataas talaga sila magbigay kasi may renta. And ito yung dati nating binili, Supreme. Ito pala yung yung bagong release nila, yung ibang kulay nandyan. Tapos, yan sa taas yung mga Supreme collaboration dati na SB Air Darwin. Complete colorway. Mga off-whites, Ama Manier. Ayan, ganda ng quality ng Ama Manier. Oh. So, ayan yung mga pwede nating ma-order sa Sneaker Dunk. So, ayan, borda yung loob. Tapos, dito naman yung Travis Scott's. Yung Air Jordan 6s, pati itong trophy rooms. Ayan o. Medyo mas okay ito kaysa dun sa ibang release nila. Mas mura siya. Tapos, meron din tayo ditong Stussy. Air Max 2013 ata. I believe. Pero tingnan nyo yung material. Napakaganda. So, nakalagay dun Stussy Air Max. Kitang-kita yung quality ng Stussy. Tapos Travis Scott's, yung fragment design and off-white, mga naka-display, pwede yung bilhin, pero mas mahal pag sa store, kaya message nyo lang ako if ever. And itong SB Dunk. Ganda. And ayan, April Skateboards. Ang ganda ng mga SB Dunk na naka-display dito. So, icy sole. Kitang-kita yung quality ng leather. Oh. They even have the Stussy Air Force 1 Mid. Ayan yung itsura niya. Yung S-Link, nandun sa forefoot area. Napakagandang quality ng leather. And dun sa back area or heel tab, nakikita niyo yung Stussy. Tapos ito yung mga Air Jordan selection nila. Air Jordan 4s, mga 1s, 11s, 12s. Well, Ama Manier na naman. Ang ganda. Ayan, quilted yung loob. Mas premium yung feel niya. Air Jordan 3. Reimagined. So, that's my first pair of Jordans. Pero ngayon, wala na. And ayan yung wall ng Jordan nila. They even change it from time to time. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Ama Manier J1s. Ganda. Kitang-kita yung quality pag Ama Manier. Pati yung loob niya, quilted din. Just like the AJ3s. So, yun. And, meron din silang yung mga pinakamahal nilang pair ng Travis Scott's. Ayan, makikita nyo dito. Ito yung pinakamura nila so far, yung yellow. And, ayun. Mga SB Air Jordan 1, pati itong trophy room. They even have the Setsubuns. Nanalo kami ni Mrs. nito for retail dati. Ngayon, taas na rin ang bentahan. Tapos yan, off-white dunks sa taas. Ganyan nila ilace. Ang cool, oh. Ngayon ko lang nakita nila ilace na ganyan yung off-white dunks. Powerpuff Girls. And this one, nakakita pa ako ng retail nito. Big money. Alam ko, money savings ata to. Or Big Money Savings, yung pangalan nitong SB Dunk nito. Quality talaga. And, meron din tayong Supreme SB Dunks. Yung mga old release, nagbebenta rin sila. I've remembered this because si Shunsuke, yung aking best friend sa FR2, meron siyang pair sa black naman. But eto, Futura, ayan, mas mura siya kaysa dun sa mga pinaka-sought after na pairs. So, habang mababa pa, message nyo lang ako. And they also have the Yuto Horigomes. Ayan. In time, alam ko tataas to. For sure yan.
And we have here a pair of Adidas. They even have the collaboration with Wales Bonner. Quality talaga material pag collabs. Ayan no. So that's horsehair. Wales Bonner. Ganda. Kahit si Mrs. gusto yan eh.
Here we have the Salehis. Ayan, Salehi Crocs. Dito ako kumuha ng mga pairs natin. And meron ding mga slides as you can see dun sa baba. Pero if wala kayong makita dyan na gusto nyo, yung mga ibang colorways yung gusto nyo, you can still message me lang. We can order it in Sneaker Dunk or kung anumang sources na makuha natin. Even Europe, nakuha ko na sa Lehi dun sa Europe eh. And we have here an order of the Kawata in the size 23 centimeters. Conversion is 5 US, so that's for Ma'am Krisha. So, next natin is Bape.
Bali sa Bape, onti lang yung nilabas nila, pero ito yung mga bago. Yung Koi Fish, itong Bape tea na to. Ayan din. Ito luma na pala. So, Lantern, and this one, Bell or Gate ata. Tapos Kakigori, that's shaved ice in Japan. So, yan yung mga kulay nila. And ito yung mga white counterparts. So, bali onti lang din yung nilabas nila. Ayan. So, para sa akin, mas okay yung black kasi less maintenance. And this one, mga embroidered shirt. So, ayun lang.
That's what they have in stores. And right now, nandito na tayo sa bahay. And i-unveil ko na sa inyo yung orders online and yung mga kinuha natin kanina. We have here an order of COS collaboration with Human Made. Ito ay para kay Sir Ninjan and para kay Sir Phil. Meron siyang kasamang freebie nito. Ayan. And ito yung kanilang shirt. So, isa lang yung ilalabas ko. Mahirap kasi itong i-tupi. So, akala ko nung una, para siyang COS collaboration with Uniqlo. Yung design nila dati. Pero, kung titignan nyo closely, yan ay human made. Iba yung tela niya from the Uniqlo. Ayan, mas premium yung materials. Ito yung isa. Parehas na design. So, ayan, human made. And the logo of COS inside. Yan, may tag siya. So, maraming salamat kay Sir Ninjan, and kay Sir Phil sa kanilang order. Next natin, guys, is this Stussy tea. This is the Stussy Cherry, yung dalawang 8-ball. So, it came from Sneaker Dunk since this is sold out in store and online sa Stussy. And this is the authentication card. Meron siyang tag sa loob. Ayan. Verified authentic, it says there. Pakita ko na sa screen yung picture. So, this is the order of Girly. Si Ma'am Girly ay nagpa-order din nitong dice na knitted hat. Ayan. Knitted bucket hat. So, it came from Sneaker Dunk also. Authentication card. And, wala siyang tag. Sticker lang meron siya sa loob. Pero hindi ko na siya bubuksan. Siya pala yung nag-order sa atin ng Stussy Nike from last time. Dito naman sa next natin, this is a pair of 327s from New Balance. This is a collaboration with Casablanca in the size 10 US or 28 centimeters in Japan. Ayan. May nakalagay Idealist. Ayan. This is 327s. Yung Casablanca, that's a designer brand. Dati nakita natin to sa outlets. Well, before I'm doing YouTube, may nakita ko, this pair costs only 4,000 dun sa Toki Premium Outlet. Grabe, napakaswerte ng mga nakuha ng dati. Hindi pinapansin. This pair came from Sneaker Dunk. Ito yung kanyang authentication card, as you can see. And this is the verification tag. So, ayan. Kaya, sure talaga tayo na authentic lahat ng pairs. Pag hindi man nakakuha sa retail store, at least, diba, there's Sneaker Dunk. This is D327s. As you can see, there's a design in the overlays. It's like a monogram from the logos of Casablanca. Tingnan nyo. And all throughout the shoe, the underlays consists of perforations. Ayan, may mga butas-butas siya. The end logo is beige and the outline is, I think, salmon. Ayan. So, this is the medial side. Ayan. This is the lateral side. There's the end logos. And this is the midsole. This is the outsole. And this is the forefoot. Ito pala yung insole niya. So, that's it. Thank you for Sir Pao for this order. I-prepare ko na rin to for shipping. Our next item would be this bear brick. Kakarating lang nito kanina sa bahay natin. I wouldn't spoil you so much. This is Carnage. Ito yung kalaban ni Venom from The Amazing Spider-Man. And dito sa likod ng box, there's an excerpt from the comics. Ayan. Please pause it if you want to read it. Ang ganda. So, may permission naman tayo sa may-ari. This is for Sir Rai. So, this is the packaging. Galing pala to sa MCT Tokyo and ito yung authentication card niya. So, lahat ng bear bricks may ganyan. Nakarap siya ng plastic dito sa, sa bear brick na to. So, at least, diba, presentable. I need to show you the 400%. So, this is Carnage. Ayan, ang ganda, no? Clear yung, ears niya. Tapos, hints of red and black. Pink yung kanyang mouth. Tapos, yung eyes ng symbiote. Ayan. Ito naman yung 100%. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. So, this is the 100%. Ayan. So, that's it. Balik lang natin sila. So, that was the order of Sir Rai. And proceed na tayo dun sa next orders. We have here a pair of Air Force One Low SP. Means Special Project. This is a size 10.5 men's. Equivalent to 12 women's. Ayan yung tag. Ito ay order ni Sir Ponzi. Ayan. Sa mga box na to, para siyang yung sa Travis Scott na fragments. Meron siyang acrylic na covering. And dito, makikita niyo yung undefeated branding. Yung 5, stripes. And undefeated, it says here. And may mga logos ng Nike Air and undefeated. Box pa lang alam yung collaboration na. And the original price for this is 17,600 yen. As you can see on the tag. And, nung una, kala ko para siyang vape kasi ganito rin yung material ng vape. This is a patent leather, by the way. And ito yung kanyang papel. Yung shoe paper niya. So, as you look closely, para siyang graffiti art. Undefeated and Nike Air. So, buksan na natin, no? This is the authentication tag, by the way. So, lagay lang natin yan sa box. And this is the lovely pair of the Air Force One undefeated lows. So as you can see, the swoosh is translucent. Medyo weird lang yung tint niya. So all throughout the shoe, multicolored yung pattern niya. Tapos dito sa likod is Nike Air. And lateral side is the undefeated logo. Dun din sa Dubre may undefeated logo rin. Pre-laced with this beige colored laces. The tongue has this logo. Ayan. And the midsole is like an aged midsole. Yung outsole is gum bottoms. Ayun. And dito sa kabilang pair, they have this authentication tag from Sneaker Dunk, as you can see. And this has been released in Japan, kaya may Japan tag doon. And ito yung extra laces. It consists of this blue ones. May mga nakalagay na Dubre doon. So you can replace it. Dito tayo sa pair na to. This is the lateral side. Ito yung heel tab. Ito yung insole. Ayan, may undefeated logo, pati yung pattern ng shoe paper dun sa loob. gum bottoms, and the brace, ayan lahat. So, babalik na natin to sa loob. And let's proceed with the other ones. Maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Ponzi. Lagay lang natin dito yung order niya sa gilid. Okay, so meron tayo ditong order ng Salehi. Kinuha natin to sa in-store. Yung Crocs na retail store sa Nagoya. So this is the Pollex Crocs in the Salehi Bembury collaboration. Pale blush colorway, but this is the Kawata. So ayan yung size, M5, women 7. And eto yung pair. So this pair is for Ma'am Trisha. And ito yung napili niyang colorway. Magandang colorway ng Salehi. One of my favorite ones. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung paano bagayan. But others can pull it off, ito pala siya. This is the thumbprint of Salehi Bembury. And ito yung kanyang forefoot. This is the outsole. Insole. And this is the medial side, the lateral side, ayan, and the outsole. Napakita ko na pala outsole. Ayan. So, maraming salamat ulit kay Ma'am Trisha. Ito pala yung price niya. So, this is 14,300 yen. Ayan. So, magkano lang din yung pinatong natin dito. And babe, this is our reservations with Rika-san. Grabe. Lakas natin kay Rika-san. And this is a Cordura bag. Ito yung kanyang strap. Ito yung nakalagay na logo. The pattern is ABC camo. Nandito yung tag ng Cordura. This is made with Cordura, kaya matibay. And ito yung bag. So, kasyang-kasya dito yung mga phone nyo, wallet. Ayan. Kaya lang wala siyang zipper sa loob. So, maraming salamat, Sir Allen, sa inyong order. And balik na natin to sa packaging. After nitong video na to, I have to prepare it for shipments na, no? Next pala natin is still Bape. It is a bulk order from Ma'am Princess. Grabe. Sobrang dami niyang pinabili. Pakita ko na sa inyo. On the weekdays, so wala na nito in store. Well, last time na pagkakita ko wala na in store. And medyo naubos yung funds natin kasi napakamahal pa na itong bag na to, no? Pero okay lang, at least meron pa rin tayong benta sa awa ng Diyos. And ito yung strap niya. Pwede siya ilagay dito. May mga hook siya dyan sa gilid. This is a tote bag. Para siyang denim na pants. So, ito yung kanyang design. Denim tote bag. May logo ng Bape head dyan na maliit. And meron sa loob na logo ng Bape head, as you can see. Ayun lang, simple tote bag, pero napakalakas ng dating kasi kitang-kita niyo naman yung ABC camo na denim. Grabe, no? Her next order is this one. This is the Bape leather bag. So, ito siya, Bape head. Parang half lang siya, ayan. And sa loob, let's see if it's spacious. Tayo naman, mga siguro booklet or hindi ko pwedeng tanggalin yung pagkakaayos nitong at baka magalit si ma'am. Pasensya na po. I have to show the items on our video, lalo na sa mga bags kasi marami nagtatanong kung gaano raw kalaki, kung ilang ano raw pwedeng malagay. So, ayun. Kaya pasensya yung mga nag-orders pero kailangan talaga natin pakita. Bag lang naman to, hindi naman to madadamage or madudumihan. So, okay lang naman. So, ito, this came with this box. Ito ay wallet. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulay. Wala naka-indicate sa box. And it says here, attention. Ayan. They have it in English and Japanese. So, pakipause na lang kung gusto nyo basahin. And care instructions. And ito yung wallet. This is a very beautiful wallet from Bape. May nag-order na ata sa atin ito. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko maalala. I think it's Sir Mark. Pero ito siya. You can see the quality of the leather. Tapos, meron siyang paper. You can put a lot of cards inside, even your identification card. Tapos may branding doon, a bathing ape. ABC Camo Pink. I wouldn't repeat the inclusions kasi alam niyo naman kung ano yung nasa loob. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo kulay blue. So, ito yung kanyang kulay. Para sa akin, mas okay yung blue. Sa vape, ang paborito ko is blue. Sa Supreme is black, which is weird. Yung mga clients natin ng Supreme, usually red yung ano nila kinukuha. Pero wala pa tayong orders ng Supreme since there's no release. So, ayun. Having said that, maraming salamat kay Ma'am Princess sa kanyang orders. And guys, if you want to reserve items sa mga latest releases, just like the Vans collaboration with Vape, just message me directly. Kaya ko magpa-reserve since kaklose naman natin yung store manager. Last but not the least, this is a very special pair sa New Balance community. This is the Action Bronson collaboration with New Balance 1906U, I think. 1906R, I'm sorry. Nakalagay Baklava. Yan ang branding ni Action Bronson. This is for Sir Rafael and Sir Nick. Ang sizes nila ay 26 centimeters. Ayan. Para sa confirmation ng ating buyer. And 27.5. So, there you go. So, both of these pairs has this authentication card. Ayun, medyo weird pala yung yung ating, loob ng box. Reflective, diba? Makikita niyo yung camera doon. Ang weird. So, lagay lang natin dito sa likod. This is the authentication card. Ang ganda nitong, dust bag. Ayan. Meron siyang nakalagay na specializing in life. And this is the branding, Baklava and New Balance. So, high quality yung dust bag niya, no? Grabe. Authentication card, once again. And, ipakita ko sa inyo yung pair. Woo! Grabe. So, lagay lang natin yung box dun sa likod, no? Okay, let's proceed with the shoes. This is the authentication tag. Verified authentic, it says there. And pakita ko sa inyo yung mga details ito, even the minuscule ones. Grabe, pansin na pansin. Tignan nyo naman yung pair nito. Saan kayo nakakita ng New Balance na ganito, diba? Ayan. Sa tongue, they have this Baklava New Balance 1906. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, pero napakita ko na to sa Reels sa Continuity PH. So, ayan. 1906, napakalaki, and they even have this hang tag. Baklava New Balance. Same design with the opposite side. And this came from Japan, so it has a Japan tag. So let's start with the forefoot. That's the forefoot. This is pre-laced with this rope laces in purple. So it complements the base of the shoe, which is navy or blue. In this case, this is the Azul. Medusa Azul kasi yung pangalan ng colorway na ito. And this is the midsole. Grabe. Ito yung insole. Ayan. So this is the medial side. This is the lateral side. Ayan. And this is the outsole. Yung outsole, medyo may mga iba't ibang hint siya. This is semi-translucent, itong part na to. Tapos may gum bottoms. Grabe, it complements well with everything. Yung pagkagawa ng shoes. Pero depende pa rin yan kung paano nyo pormahin, syempre. No? I think, okay yung mga simpleng attire dito. Para mag-pop out yung shoe. Well, kahit yung ito lang suotin nyo, mag-pop out talaga. Tapos may 3M hints all throughout the shoe, this N logo. I believe this part is 3M reflective. And the back part, lahat na silver 3M. So that's it. This is the first pair. Ayun yung bubuksan naman natin is this 26 centimeters. Which translates to 8 US. Ito rin yung kanyang dust bag, as you can see. An authentication card. Ayan. From Sneaker Dunk. Sneaker Dunk lang to eh. Order kayo habang mura pa. This is the authentication tag from Sneaker Dunk. Ayan. So, ganun pa rin. Ayan yung forefoot, yung insole, as you can see. This is the lateral side. And this is the medial side. Ayan. Tapos ito yung outsole. Unfortunately, wala siyang extra laces. Pero, even without the extra laces, this purple ones pop out. Kasi nga, nagko-complement siya dun sa kulay ng sapatos, di ba? So, ayun. This is the pair of Sir Nick and Sir Rafael. Ayan. Ang ganda, no? Hindi ko pala nasabi sa inyo, pero dun sa back part ng midsole, they have this iridescent hue. As you can see there. Ayan, para siyang rainbow. They have this iridescent hue dito sa midsole, dito sa back part. Ang ganda. So, it really goes well. Meron din isa yung rose water, pero walang nag-order sa atin kasi di naman tayo nag-post nun. If ever lang you need, just message me. We can give you the rare colorways of New Balance, even yung mga dating releases pa. Lalong-lalo na yung mga Japan exclusive. Meron pa ako dun sa baba, pakita ko sa inyo. So, those pairs are the very limited Boro pack. This is the Japan exclusive. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ito yung iba ko pang New Balance pairs. Sayang, hindi ko alam kung makakuha pa tayo nito, pero I think meron pa ilang sizes sa Sneaker Dunk. Pero ito kasi, nung lumabas, parang walang pumansin kasi hindi kilalang pair. Siguro nagda-doubt. Pero ito talaga yung mga best na New Balance for me kasi dahil nga mahilig ako sa Japan exclusive and mahilig din ako sa color blue. Kaya ayan. Kaya yung Medusa Azul na nakita nyo kanina, nagagandahan talaga ako. Hindi dahil dahil collaboration siya, I just like the look of it. Pero yung Rose Water, not so much. So, it really depends on the design, hindi kung sino yung nag-collab. Kaya, ewan ko, medyo na-weirdohan ako dun sa Travis Scott kasi parang iba't ibang kulay lang. Siguro pag may blue, di ba? Pero hindi rin yung fragment parang so-so lang. Weird. So, ayun. Nandito na tayo sa end ng video and I just want to thank all of you guys sa aking friends, sa family, sa aking wife, at kung sino-sino pang supporters, yung viewers, yung ating clients, lahat ng subscribers. So, I just want to say thank you very much to all of you. And this is Ferdy signing out. Bye-bye.